If you are running ads or managing campaigns online, you've probably heard of Social Peta, but does it really deliver on its promises? Here's my honest review after using the platform. Social Peta is a competitive intelligence tool for digital marketers. It allows you to analyze ads across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google. The idea is simple. See what your competitors are running, spot trends, and optimize your campaigns. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for spying on ads, but the surprising truth is that Social Peta provides data-driven insights that can actually guide your creative strategy. When you log in, you can search by industry, keyword, or advertiser to see active campaigns. Each ad comes with details like creatives, copy, targeting insights, and even estimated performance metrics. This level of transparency can save hours of trial and error when designing your own campaigns. For example, I discovered high-performing ad formats in my niche that I would never have tried otherwise. The platform also offers trend analysis, showing you which types of campaigns are gaining traction in real time. This is especially useful for seasonal promotions or fast-moving markets where timing is critical. Most marketers underestimate the value of early trend spotting, but this can directly impact ROI. Pricing varies depending on the plan, but even the mid-tier subscription provides enough access for small businesses or solo marketers. A limitation is that the interface can feel overwhelming at first, and beginners may need time to get comfortable navigating all the features. In conclusion, Social Peta is a powerful tool for advertisers who want to optimize campaigns, track competitors, and spot trends early. It's not a magic bullet, but used strategically, it can significantly improve your ad performance. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing tools, digital advertising tips, and strategies to grow your business efficiently.